headphones. Plugged into a little MP3 player. Let's make some room around here. Plugged into a little headphone player, and you're only getting one channel out of it. I think that's it. Come on, play. Alright, go up there. Oh, it is playing now. Right, coming out of there, I expect you can hear that side, but you can't hear that side. Right, I don't know if you heard it or not, I'll find out when I play back. But normally you think, oh well, got a bit of plug or a socket in the player. So you get another pair of headphones. Oh, sorry about the squeaky chair. So you get another pair of headphones. Now I can definitely hear both of them playing. There you go. Right, so you can hear both of them playing. So it's not the player, it's the headphones. Now with these cheapy headphones, you might say, is it worth trying to mend them? Turn that off. Is it worth trying to mend them? Well, yeah, get a bit more life out of them. Now we know it's this side that's packed up, so how do they come apart? Quite easy. You just slide the edge cover of the ear pad itself, or if that won't do it, should do. Should just slide out from off the edge. There it is. It's just on the edge. Or no, you can't pull the inner pad off. So how do these work? Put my finger up in there. Appears to be a dent hole there. I wonder if that's a clip. One way to find out, screwdriver. Screwdriver. Now we're across the other side of the room. So let's take this little one, have my head hanging in the shop, and have a little pry. Yeah. You might be able to, I can feel something there. I wonder if that's a spring loaded one. Yeah, that's pinged it. Let's ping that one. And there's, feels like there's one here as well. Yep, little pingy clips. Alright, they are quite tight, there must be another one here somewhere. Just prod with your screwdriver gently. Yep, there you go. Right. Bring that up close so you can see it. It's a bit of take a magnifying glass and have a look and see if it's a cut. Oh no, I can see what it is. I can see it. How's that become unsoldered? There's a tiny, just there is the wire to the actual headphone coil, and it's not soldered. Where's it gone? That is tiny. Definitely need them over there. Where's it gone? Just there. Yeah. Where's it gone? I'll unsolder this with my baby soldering iron. Warm up. Give it a second. And I'll show you what I mean. Come on, off you come. Don't want to move. Why don't you want to come off? Come on. Oh dear. It's that one. Go. There. There. Right, there's your two wires. Now they are, I'm going to zoom the camera down. Bring the camera down. So there. I don't know if you can see that, but there, when this decides to focus up, there's a wire, see it, just there? Well, that wire is loose, it's not soldered on. I'll just move it to show you, there it is there, little wire. Well, I might have inadvertently soldered it on. No, it is definitely loose because there it is now, sticking up down the edge. Sticking up down there. So I wonder if that's the problem, coming from the main headphone itself. It's usually something like that. Had the volume up too loud and the poor little bit of wire couldn't handle the current. Luckily it's gone at this end, maybe. He says, let's find out. Oh! Let us find out. I need 3 hands here. Where's it gone? Where's the wire? The wire's there. Right. Let's see if we can tease it out with the end of this. Oh yeah, it is out. Put it round that way. See if I can tease it over. Oh, it is there. There it is. I wonder if I can lay the other wire back on top and solder it all in place in one hit. Still there? Yep, still there. There's only one way to find out, that's to warm this up. I think I've got it all. There's only one way to find out. Put the other one back on. These wires are lacquer covered, they're not individual wires, they're just lacquer covered rubbish wires. Right, where's the player gone? There's the player. Switch it back on, wait for a second for it to boot up. Let's have a look and see if it's going to work. Wait for a second. Yep, there you go. That's all it was. Yep, working perfectly. So that's that one. And there's the one that's still attached to the headphone. So there you go. Cheapy headphone fix. Alright. I thought there was one of them. Oh. See if I can get that back in there. Oh, that's supposed to be in there. That's one. That's two. I think I've got the top one in first. No, it isn't. No, it's not in. Oh, it must be in. Can't feel it trying to get out. Takes a bit of strength to put them back. Yep, still working. Still working. Yeah, pair of headphones working again. Yeah. Cheapy headphones. Well worth pulling apart to fix. Yeah, they're supposed to be that far away. Quite a gap on that one. And there's quite a gap on that one. But yeah, that's how easy it is to pull them apart and fix them. Put the little cover in there, back level. And that one. Probably wasn't level from the day it was well. But yeah, there you go, all back together. And working.